Remember when we had it in my living room in January?
Really, the only thing to do with the Gold Star, clap a Gold Star on the road, is to put touring cans in it, detune it, to make it so it doesn't mess about on it.
So it's a bit softer.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
You know that we worked on it in January?
Yeah.
Grips come.
Your bike hasn't been in his garage.
I lied to you, it's not been in my garage. Well, I didn't lie, I said it's in the garage, Mel's garage.
Yeah. And you know nothing about Gold Stars, do you?
I know a little bit about them.
What do you think?
Yeah, yeah.
Look, looks like new,
Lovely to
doesn't
see
it?
it all in one bit.
Are you surprised? You surprised? Could you believe it's your one?
It's hard to believe it.
You want to sit on it?
Georgie! Sit on it, George.
He's
Sit
speechless.
on it.
Put it back on the hard stuff. It's soft there, not seeing. Pop your rider's footrest up before you let the kick roll down, or you'll be. Sorry, it's down here, I'm not sorry. Just on there, yeah? Yeah. There you go.
These days they even sit on it.
Georgie!
Do you want to take it now?
Georgie!
There you go.
Oh, silly clapping footrests.
Georgie!
Wait a minute.
Mum, Gene,